How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'm back again with a all-new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where on Tuesdays, I showcase a particular park model tiny home coming in at 399 square feet that we have available right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. This Tuesday, I'm bringing to you the Modern Moonstone. I am back again with a all-new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday. And on Tuesdays, you know what time it is. It's time that I showcase an all-new home that we have available right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Tuesday, I'm bringing to you the Modern Moonstone. For any of you that are currently in the market for a 399 square foot park model tiny home, and you are looking for one without a loft, this is the one for you. I got a good feeling about it today, and especially if you want one at a great price point. So for any of you that are interested, this home comes in at 11 feet wide. It's going to be 43 feet long, and that's including the 8-foot front porch, and it's on sale today for $83K. $83,000. You'll get everything you see today besides furniture and decor. And for those of you, you know where it starts, on the exterior, ladies and gentlemen, and that's going to be with that 50-year warranty siding that we have on this model in white. We've also chosen to trim out this model in a black trim, and you'll also see that showcased in your fascia, your porch post, and you'll see it going around your doors and windows of the home. We've topped it with a Galvalume metal roof, and with that roof, you'll have a 30-year warranty. And guys, the fun doesn't stop there. The 8-foot front porch is my favorite feature on the exterior. Go ahead and follow me up so you can see how much room you have on this porch. You'll see that you're greeted by that beam and that crow's foot that's in white finish. But as soon as you come out here on that porch, you're going to see 8 feet of exterior living space, and we have a beautiful neutral gray tone for your composite decking. And yes, that is a 30-year warranty on our composite decking. You'll see the interior porch ceiling is already wired and braced for the ceiling fan or light fixture of your choice. We also have 2 exterior can lights. We have an exterior electrical outlet, big front window right there for you, and then your front door is going to be a 36-inch door with blinds and glass painted in white. Now, we've talked about the outside enough. Go ahead and follow me into this Modern Moonstone so you can see just how great this floor plan is. And as soon as we enter this Modern Moonstone, yes, this is one of my favorite things about this home. It is the layout, because if you don't like the layout, then most likely you're not going to like the home, because it has to be functional for you and your lifestyle. And I feel a lot of you, this home will check a lot of boxes. If you want functionality and flow from front to back of the home, but you also want a large living space and a large bedroom. That bedroom will surprise you, but we'll get there at the end. Right here, starting in the living area, you'll see tons of living space. This is a large living room for a 399 square foot tiny home. This main wall here is going to be what I like to call the sofa wall. That's where you can put your furniture of choice. Up above, we've added a clear story window, and then up above that, we've added 2 transoms. So you have a lot of height in this home that brings in natural light and also makes it feel much larger than 399 square feet. Cool thing about moving this window up, if you subscribe like you should be, you already know, but that allows you adequate space to put your furniture, your sofa, your love seat, your recliners in here and not be blocking a window. So we think about you guys, because we know a lot of our clients, this is a primary residence, so we want you to be comfortable. And even from our weekenders, weekend warriors that have these for weekend getaways, this is phenomenal as a floor plan as well. You'll see up top we have a 3-blade ceiling fan in black, And we'll check out the front wall before we speed things up. Right here on this front wall, you see the interior shot of that large window. You got the interior shot of the blinds and glass front door. And again, it is blinds and glass. You can open it up, you can raise it. Those options are yours. So guys, you have plenty of options when you go with that blinds and glass front door. But this is my favorite feature of the living room. It's going to be the focal point right here, and that is the large entertainment space. This is going to include a 50-inch electrical fireplace. And yes, it does put off heat, ladies and gentlemen. Again, when you're only heating and cooling 399 square feet, you don't need much. But this definitely does the trick and looks very elegant while doing it. You'll also see we chose black cabinetry in this model. You'll see black cabinets, black bar pools, and then we're going to have the carnival countertop here, where you're going to have hues of black throughout, but still some pops of color that, of course, complement the honey oak plank flooring that we have going throughout this entire home. A great flooring choice. I really enjoy that. But it brings the color out of the black of the carnival countertop with your cabinets, but also this painted black pine accent wall that you'll see here. We have a large mirror here right now, but behind that is where you can easily mount the TV of your choice, and you have plenty of room to do so. Speaking of a black accent, yeah, we added another black accent, and I ain't talking about myself, but with that said, we have open shelves and the L-shaped brackets, all in black. You'll see that right here. Again, these shelves painted in black gives you options for your decor. Again, just dressing up the place, making more design alternatives for you in this model. Love that placement there. Still placement down below that you could put some more decor, additional seats, whatever you want. But now let's change it up a bit. Let's take it to the kitchen. And I love this area because it has a flow from front to back. Plenty of you, after seeing the wheelchair-friendly models that we offer, say, Mr. Tiny, I don't necessarily need all of the wheelchair-friendly options, but I do want to make it very easy for me to get throughout. This Moonstone can do that for you. It can be converted to wheelchair-friendly if you need, but if you just want a flow of a floor plan, you got all this open space. This galley-style kitchen makes it very easy for you. Keep those things in mind. But notice we have the black cabinetry here, black bar pools, black two-basin farm sink. Yes, and before any of you go to the comments and say, Mr. Tiny, I need a dishwasher. I can't wash my dishes by hand. I'm lazy. I done thought about you, hush, puppy. I got you right there. An open cabinet there, so I already know where you're going with it, sweetheart. So Mr. Tiny beat you to it. If you want a dishwasher, once you buy the home, put a dishwasher right in there. I left the space open for you. You got electrical outlets there in the back. Hook it right up. You ready to roll. But if you don't want to do that, then we've got this nice cabinet here. You can sit there and add whatever you like. My personal opinion, I'm cool with a paper plate or two. Or I can wash up my dish or my cup, but I'll put my trash can right there. But that's just me, and who am I? But that's just to say that. We'll close that back there. Also, we have all of this layout here, additional drawers. We have all of your cabinetry up top. Again, the black appliances here with the stove, smooth top, microwave here. And then we'll go on back a little bit further, show additional space here, and of course your side-by-side fridge, ice in the door. Right across from that, you're going to have your stackable washing machine and dryer. We even added a cubby up top so that way you can have your washing detergents, your fabric softeners, all of that in there for your liking. Also, right next to that is where you're going to have your bathroom, which is separated by a pocket door that you can move in and out to close at your convenience. But in here, you'll see that we have the countertop, that carnival countertop running around. We have the cabinet down below, mirror up top. And then we have the toilet here, seen one, seen them all, but we do have the linen cabinet here above, and it is adjustable shelving, so you can bring it down to the height that is just right for you. We also have the window here, bringing in natural light. And again, I told you, ladies and gentlemen, this can be very functional for you. Again, walk in, tile, shower. We're going to have the Carrera tile in a vertical pattern going up here for you. I did go ahead and throw in a assist bar there because it doesn't matter if you need it or not. It does help just to grab onto something. I don't know how many times I sat there and wash my feet and then step down and brother almost bust my neck. But we ain't gonna get into my personal business. But we do have an assist bar right there for you to utilize. Also have all this area here, and again, with no loft in this model, you have all of the ceiling height you need to feel comfortable. And we'll keep on rolling, ladies and gentlemen. We'll make our way on back, and this is where things get real interesting. Is in this modern Moonstone, you're going to have the largest bedroom in a 399 square foot park model tiny home. Look at this. You can fit any size bed that you need. We've even added additional bump out here. You can put a king bed in there if you want to. You put it on here, you can put it on this wall, you can put it on the opposite wall. This is tons of space, all kinds of space for activities. You can do it right here in your primary bedroom of the modern Moonstone. We again love to bring in that natural light, so you're going to have that with your window here off the side. You're going to have that here with your clear story window, and then another large window across from that. We have outlets going around the entire bedroom, so you can again be comfortable no matter where you choose to put your bed. We've got a centered ceiling fan right there. Again, keep that going for you. And then right over here is where we tucked your closet. Right over here to the side, you'll see. Let me move out the way. You can see how much space you have in that closet to operate. Again, yes, full-size closet there, so you do not have to worry about not having a closet space and having to bring your own. You've got that tucked off there. And again, I just love the openness of this bedroom in the modern Moonstone. In my opinion, this is one of the biggest selling points of this particular model. And I think you guys would like it. So wanted to definitely showcase it to you today. Now go ahead and follow me back through so you can see the flow again of this floor plan and how easy it is to maneuver from front to back. Again, large bedroom, galley style kitchen, tons of space for you to walk and operate through. And again, we make it back to the large living area. Tons of space in this modern Moonstone for you. And guys, keep in mind to take it back to the statistics. This home is coming in at 11 feet wide, 43 feet long, and that's including the 8-foot front porch. It's on sale today for $83K. $83K, you'll get everything you see today besides furniture and decor. And guys, I hope you enjoyed this video tour of the modern Moonstone like I did. If you did, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Also subscribe if you're not subscribed already, because you definitely should be. Run down to the comments. Let me know how you enjoyed the video tour. Did I say a little line or two that made you chuckle? Spit out your sweet tea or your dentures almost fall out? If I did, let me know about it. Also, what your favorite feature of the home was while you're at it. So that way I can keep those features coming in the future, because at the end of the day, Mr. Tiny does listen to you. So you let me know what you enjoyed. And guys, also, if you're interested in purchasing the modern Moonstone today, you can run on over to Instagram or TikTok and contact little old me directly at the Mr. Tiny, at TheMrTiny. And you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the modern Moonstone as well as hundreds of other models directly off of my Instagram and TikTok. So you can contact me day or night, and I'll make sure that price is right. Until next time, my name is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next Tiny Home Tuesday.